In this episode of I Tried It, we're going to take a look at this video where it claims that you can make $700 per day simply listening to music. We're going to take a look at the process of what this YouTube creator says you can do. We're going to take a look at how much money I actually made and if this is even possible. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn if you should waste your time doing this method by David Nick. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. As I mentioned, I looked at this video, I watched this video early this morning, and I spent about 30 to 45 minutes trying to implement what this content creator says so that I can make $700 per day. In this video, I'm going to reveal how much money I made. Should you spend your time following this method or suggestion and potentially better opportunities? Also, what I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to do a little bit of time lapse of me walking through the process of actually making money so that you can see what I did step by step. So in this video, the content creator recommends that you download an app called Currency and you just start making money listening to music. There are a number of problems with this app, and we're going to talk about all of them. The first problem is it's not just straightforward listening to music and making money. What I noticed and what I realized after I spent some time trying to figure out how I could start making money is, number one, the first and only thing that you can do to even start getting the opportunity to make money is that you have to invite 3 friends. So you've got to spam this out to 3 people before you can even start making money, which is incredibly frustrating and annoying. So what I did is I sent it to my mom. She's got a few different phone numbers saved, and I'm sorry, Mom, hopefully she doesn't block me, but I sent it to my mom and my wife, and then I actually got to send them a message to say, don't open that link. I got to go do that soon. But first thing, annoying, really bothersome, is that I've got to spam this out to 3 people so that I have the opportunity to make money. The second thing is you can't actually make money listening to music if you have an iPhone. Now, this is a problem because 18% of people worldwide have iPhones and 50% of the people in the US have iPhones. So if you live in the United States, odds are you have an iPhone and you're not even going to be able to listen to music and make money. So this isn't going to apply to you. As you can see right now, you see me just kind of scrolling through, getting kind of annoyed and frustrated. So that's problem number 2. Problem number 3 is I started trying to check off some of these little boxes to make some money, and it's less than pennies on the dollar. I did the calculation, which we'll talk about in just a moment, but I earned points, which always is a problem. I earned points for entering my phone number. I earned points for entering in an address, and I actually didn't enter in my address. I entered in an address of a place that I used to work at. And so, these points started accumulating, which is good, but it was really, really tiny, which brings me to another problem, which you'll probably see coming up here if it hasn't already passed, is that because I wasn't able to actually earn points or rewards for listening to music, I had to go download other apps and participate in other apps and games in order to earn any money, which is another problem. I kind of talked about that last week on Sunday with a different program, but I don't want to download a bunch of apps to my phone so that I've got to kind of jump through hoops and be that intermediary that gets paid pennies on the dollar. Really problematic. It actually really, really bothered me that I had to do it. So not only was I not able to earn points for listening to music, I earned less than pennies on the dollar for doing other rewards and doing silly stuff. Also, if you look, the threshold to pay out is actually kind of high. And so ultimately, what you'll see, and again, I'm going to speed through this. We're going to talk about some other better ways, potentially fun ways that you can make money listening to music. But after my half an hour, 45 minutes of doing this, I only earned about 330 points, which came out to 33 cents. So anytime you earn a point, it's less than a penny, okay? It's like 0.001 cents, all right? And so I just did quick back of the table math might be off slightly. If I wanted to earn $700 per day, that's 700,000 points. All right. And I was able to earn about 600 points per hour. And if I wanted to earn 700,000 points, so I can earn $700 per day, divided by 600 points, that's 1,167 hours. If there are 24 hours in a day, it would take me 49 days to complete. So as you can see, this is problematic for a number of reasons. This hustle thing is quite frankly a lot. All right. As I've mentioned in a few other of my videos, a lot of these videos are just designed for you to watch them, keep watching more of their videos so that they can make money off of the YouTube Partner Program. These videos aren't necessarily helping you to make money. They're helping you to string you along, to get to the next video, to watch the next video after that, so that they can keep making money with the high CPMs offered by YouTube. Other people will also make money with affiliate marketing, but primarily the main driver of this type of content is to just help them make money. All right. The other problem with making money $6 per song is this is active income. If this were true, which it isn't, this is active income. You're only going to make the $6 while you're actually listening to the song. Once you turn the song off, once you go to bed, once you go to the kids' soccer game and you've got to be attentive, you stop making money. What I am a huge proponent of is people doing something once or twice and making money from it again and again and again. This is what I call return on investment income. So for example, this YouTube video, someone's going to watch this video. They're going to find value out of this video. I may spend 10 minutes creating this video. However, this video has the potential to be viewed thousands of times. And so this is return on investment income. Also, I'm obviously helping you out by making sure that you're not wasting your time. So part number 1 and 2, this method doesn't work. Also, if you look at the comment section of this video, a lot of people express frustrations with this method because quite frankly, the method doesn't work. And so people are tired of wasting their time with stuff doesn't work. Now let's go ahead and talk about a better opportunity. I just want to show you the comment section real quick so that you can see for yourself that a lot of people express frustration. It's not me picking on some random YouTuber. A lot of people said that this actually didn't work for them either, and they were confused and frustrated and annoyed. All right, so if we just look at this, it says, boys and girls, I tried it and you cannot make $6 per song. I did follow him. I did everything he said on making a few videos, and then YouTube blocked everything. Tried this and it's probably crap. Your explanation somewhat vague. I'm subscribing if this is legit. Okay, but how do I connect YouTube? How YouTube Music does not allow to listen at a quicker speed. This does not work at all. Current doesn't sync. So you can see here, people that are actually on this video say that it doesn't work. Now, a better way, and this is really funny. Recently, 21 Savage and Drake released a song. It's called Rich Flex, okay? And if you've been on social media, you have heard this song and you have seen this song. And this song, people are going crazy about how funny the song. I must admit, every time I see a new TikTok video about this song, I spend a bunch of time crying laughing at how funny this is. But this is how you can actually make real money listening to music. Now I typed in 21 Drake featuring 21 Savage, Rich Flex, and then we can just type in something like reaction afterwards, and you can see people are making money simply reacting to the video, reacting to the new album. And you don't have to be a large mega YouTube channel. What you have to do if you want to get started is take advantage of things that are new. For example, look at this video right here. 1,000 subscribers, 2.5 thousand views, where this person is talking about Drake and 21 Savage, Rich Flex. However, if we go over to TikTok, and there are tons of ways to make money, but if we go over to TikTok and we type in the name of the song, you're going to see people are having a field day creating content around this song. So I'm just going to paste that in like this, and you're going to see tons of people. Look at this video right here. And I just have to plug whoever this creator is. This video here, I have watched this video 3,000 times because it's so funny. All right. But this is how you can make money. There's new music coming up all the time. Whatever your genre is, whatever your niche is, whatever you're interested in, you listen to new songs, you provide critical analysis and feedback. Be a little controversial. This one right here is really funny. This is actually a reaction TikTok account, but this is how you make real money. Okay, guys? It's not doing this little shortcut stuff that doesn't work ultimately and wasting time and spinning your wheels. This is also how you avoid being frustrated with making money online, because I, like you, had gone through all of these different quick fixes, quick ways to make money, and ultimately they didn't work, and it left me frustrated and confused, like I was doing something wrong. In reality, these videos aren't designed to help you, okay? These videos are designed to string you along, to keep you coming back. But what you need to do, if you really want to make money listening to music, find your niche, find your genre, and you talk about it. It's as simple as that, okay? And the pushback is always going to be, hey, Alston, you need to have 1 million subscribers in order to do this. No, you need to get started, okay? Before you can get to 1 million subscribers, you need to create one piece of content, and then another piece of content, and then another piece of content. But you can see here, small channels, 4,000 subscribers, 4.8 thousand views, are creating content alongside and getting views alongside large YouTube channels, and they're making money. So you need to go out and create content. If you want to escape the rat race, if you want to get out of whatever is failing you, whatever is ailing you, whatever is challenging you, you need to create content. It's really as simple as that. Create content on YouTube, create content on TikTok, create content on Facebook groups or a blog, whatever that you like to do. Create content there and you can be successful. Stop wringing your hands, stop hand wringing and being frustrated and working and waiting for the perfect opportunity, because there's no such thing as the perfect opportunity. The perfect opportunity is when you finally get started creating content, and then you start realizing that there are millions of people around the world that are potentially interested in the content that you create. You can be successful online if you stop trying to take the shortcut, try to make the $6 per song, doing all of this other crap, and start creating your own content and make money. Watch this video next, because YouTube says it will help you start a successful online business.